When minimalism meets madness, this is what it's look like. The all new Nothing Earbuds 2A. In this plain white finish, pure class, pure vibe. Welcome back to next option. And today we are diving into one of the most stylish earbuds in the game. Let's check it out what's inside. Actually, the earbud itself and the minimal adjusting of buds. It's looking premium, guys. Oh, sorry. Wow. You can see that the buds are really placed in the box itself and the case. First thing first, the design. It's minimal, clean, and has that nothing signature transparent stem which still feels futuristic. The white color, it's giving premium Apple vibe, but with a bolder attitude. The case is compact, lightweight, and has this magnetic click that just feels addictive. You can literally flex this in your hand and people will ask what is it is. So let's go for the next thing, pairing. Honestly, it's effortless. You open the case, your phone picks it instantly, and you are in Nothing S ear app gives you tons of control, custom EQ, ANC level, and everything, even Find My Earbuds feature. It supports dual pairing, so switching between your laptop and phone is smooth. No lag, no frustrations. When the main part meets, alright, let's talk about the real deal, the sound. You will get 12.4 dynamic drivers that hits deep bass, crisp vocals, and balanced mids. I tested it with some of my song collections. The ANC goes up to 45 decibels, and it's impressive that is at this price point. Whether you are in a traffic or a coffee shop, it's just pulling you into the music. I even brought in the metro and forgot people could see me lip syncing to my playlist. Seriously, guys, you will lose your mind if you are focusing on ANC. So let's have a look. Let's have a close look on how music works. This is how it's cool, cooler than you think. Actually, I connected with Holy Land mic setup. And when you are talking about the battery, up to 35 hours with the case, and fast charging gives you 8 hours in 10 minutes. IP50 for splash resistance, so a little gim, sweat or diesel won't bother you in these buds. Oh, and gestures, smooth and customizable. You can skip, pause or control volume easily, because you can also make it proper as you like. If you want to change the options, the application, the Nothing X application is customizable. So after a full day of testing, here is my verdict. The Nothing Earbuds 2A aren't just beautiful, they sound as good as they look. Great for daily use, calls and movies, and honestly, they gives competition to precious brander. For around this price range, you are getting a premium vibe, powerful bass, and clean identification that screams nothing but style. This is next option. If you like the review, hit that like button Share these with your tech buddies and, of course, subscribe. We have got more fresh tech every day. That's why. Until next time, stay tuned, stay stylish. Bye bye.